All right, my name is Russell Hunt. I'm the finance director at Best Buy. A lot of opportunities from our existing practices that had been in place for many years. We had an outdated technology that was processing close to over 200,000 invoices with no internal controls, no workflow, no OCR, and routed every single invoice to either the AP team or ultimately to the business to actually code invoices, approve invoices, reject invoices within, which oftentimes caused additional communications with suppliers. And ultimately what we did is we said, hey, we've got to be more efficient. We took the opportunity to explore multiple systems. Relish came out on top when we were doing the implementation of our SAP Ariba project as a bolt-on to allow us to implement a new OCR tool that can scan invoices real time, allow those invoices to land within our system, and then ultimately pass those to the internal stakeholders to actually code invoices where necessary. The system also allowed us to do some efficiency plays, which we're able to actually systematically drive GL strings, UNSPSC codes, things of that nature. The improvement would be the amount of manual work by the AP team, having to touch each and every individual invoice. Our business partners would have to log in and code every single invoice. So if we had an invoice that had 60 lines on it, they had to code 60 individual lines. Where in today's world, we're able to systematically drive that GL string, eliminating the time of our business partners. So this allowed them to go in, just approve an invoice because all the information is already there after they verified the work or the goods had been delivered to Best Buy, allowing us to process an invoice, reducing start to finish time probably about by 90–95% in the whole process. Our error rate went from probably 60% down to about a 1%, if not less, right? The Relish tool has essentially allowed us to be 100% touchless in this process, where historically we touched every single invoice and the business touched every single invoice. That was a huge opportunity cost for within my team. We were able to take resources, reallocate them to more strategic work within the business, eliminating that non-value added work as we call it within the organization. The other thing it did for my team is it helped boost morale, right? They were doing a non-value added work on a daily basis. They didn't find fulfillment in that day-to-day work. So automating that work allowed them to get to more strategic stuff that Best Buy really finds value in. From an operational cost standpoint, at Best Buy, we were able to eliminate the amount of time that our business partners had to spend touching invoices, reviewing invoices within the system. My team also had to research a tremendous amount of errors when they landed from suppliers. So all of that with the implementation of the new tool of Relish was eliminated within the system, providing tremendous amount of reallocation of resources to the bottom line for Best Buy. So those operational costs within our organizations are highly valued. I would recommend Relish to any potential company that's out there looking to improve operational efficiencies, looking to eliminate waste, looking to drive value into their organization. There are tremendous things. The tool itself brings tremendous amount of value at a very reasonable cost for your organization, and it will also allow you to streamline many processes that you currently have today.